How to wirelessly share your Wi-Fi password on iPhone or Android. Trying to quickly and securely share your home Wi-Fi password, or how to do it from your iPhone, Android device, or even a computer without disclosing the actual password. Table of contents. What's the fastest way to share a Wi-Fi password with visiting friends and family? You could write it down and hand it to them on a piece of paper, but that's not very secure, and setting up a guest Wi-Fi network can be a hassle. Luckily, there are ways to quickly share these credentials without compromising your network. Here, how to wirelessly share your Wi-Fi password from an iPhone, iPad, Mac, Android device, and Windows PC. Apple makes this is a seamless process as long as you all have an iPhone, iPad, or Mac and have everything set up correctly. In order to share your Wi-Fi password, both devices should have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on and be signed into iCloud with their respective Apple IDs. You each also need to have the email address of the other saved in the Contacts app. Once all these requirements are met, bring the two devices within Bluetooth and Wi-Fi range and make sure the sharing device is unlocked and connected to the network. Have the device without internet, select the network to be shared, and a message should pop up on the sharing device screen. Tap share password to give the other device access to the Wi-Fi network. Share password from Android. Android devices share Wi-Fi password through QR code generation, so Apple devices can receive login credentials this way as well. In order to share and receive a password, your Android device must be running Android 10 or later. First, make sure you are connected to the network you wish to share this. The process then depends on your phone manufacturer. If you have a Samsung device, open setting, connection, Wi-Fi, and tap the gear icon text to the network name. Select the QR code icon at the bottom of the screen to generate a unique QR code that can be saved to your phone or shared to a contact. For a Pixel phone, go to setting, into network and internet, into internet. Select the gear icon, then tap the share icon under the network name. A QR code will appear on the screen with the Wi-Fi password written in plain text underneath. This code can also be shared via nearby share. The network connection is shared when the other person opens their phone camera and scans the QR code. All they need to do is tap the pop-up message on the screen to open their Wi-Fi pass setting and connect to the network. Are you the one in need of internet? Most smartphones have built-in QR code scanners at this point, but you can also head to the Wi-Fi setting page. Here you will find a tiny QR code icon at the top of the page that will allow you to scan codes once tapped. For devices that cannot create a QR code or use the Apple Wi-Fi sharing method, use a free QR code generator to share the password. This is also a good replacement for Microsoft Wi-Fi since the feature was disabled in Windows. You can find plenty of tools with a quick Google search. Just make sure it supports Wi-Fi permission. For this demonstration, I am using QR code generator, but QIFI.org focuses specifically on Wi-Fi codes, while Crafter has a free iOS app.